A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Alia,
And I, Ankita, feel extremely delighted to stand before you today as the master of ceremonies of this special occasion.
we extend our warm greetings to our honorable chief guest, Ms. Annapurni Sriram, Ms. Shweta Man, HMSS Mr. Karan Dev, HMPS Dr. Nidhi Devan, esteemed guests, dignitaries, dedicated teachers, and my dear friends. It is truly a privilege to welcome you all to the 38th Founders Day celebration of our esteemed institution.
On this gracious occasion, we gather not just as a school community, but as one family united by values, vision, and purpose. Today is a day to honor and remember the remarkable journey laid down by our beloved founder, Chaudhry Hoshiar Singh Manji, whose vision continues to inspire every step we take forward.
This celebration is not merely an event, but a reflection of our journey filled with dedication, achievements, cherished memories, and inspiring dreams. It is a heartfelt tribute to the legacy that continues to guide our institution towards excellence.
Our school's chairman, Mr. J.S. Man, Ms. Sarita Man, Managing Director Mr. Gaurav Man and Ms. Shweta Man have carried forward the legacy of our revered mentor, Chaudhry Hoshiar Singh Manji. Through their unwavering dedication and visionary leadership, the Man family continues to strengthen the institution and upholds its values.
We now move on to the sacred lamp lighting and floral tribute ceremony, marking the auspicious beginning of today's celebration. This revered tradition symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the awakening of knowledge.
We respectfully request our honorable chief guests, esteemed dignitaries and guests to kindly come forward and bless this auspicious ceremony. Let this divine moment fill the atmosphere with positivity and inspiration.
May this light of knowledge guide each one of us on our journey of learning and lead us towards greater heights of wisdom and success.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशं बोधितं ब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं
Thank you everyone.
ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः.
Words have the power to inspire change, ignite thoughts, and touch hearts. On this special occasion, we now invite our student representative, Rudra Prakash, to kindly come forward and share his thoughts, reflecting the values and legacy of our founder, Chaudhry Hoshiar Singh Manji.
Good morning to one and all present here. My warmest regard to respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear fellow friends. I am Rudra Prakash of class 6th B, and I am privileged to share a few words on this special occasion, Founders Day. On 16th April 1989, our school, the Man School, was established by the great visionary Chaudhry Hoshiar Singh Manji. His foresight and commitment continues to inspire generations, shaping a proud legacy of excellence in education and character building. Following his vision, our school has made remarkable progress and proudly ranked among the top institutions in the country, securing rank 6 in India and rank 2 in Delhi NCR in the Education World India for the school ranking 2025-26 for the Deccan boarding schools. Our school employs the latest teaching technique and provides the state-of-the-art infrastructure. It is not just the place where academic knowledge is imparted, it is the place where character is nurtured, friendships are built, and lifelong values are instilled. On this special occasion, let us express our heartfelt gratitude to the teachers and the mentors who work tirelessly behind the scenes. Let us pledge to keep the flame of our founder's vision burning bright, not just for ourselves, but for the generations to come. The greatest tribute we can offer to our founders lies not just in our words, but in the values we uphold, the lives we touch, and the future we build together. I would like to end with a quote. A great institution is not built in a day, but through years of vision, dedication, and the collective efforts of those who believe in it. Once again, a very happy Founders Day to one and all present here. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rudra, for those meaningful and inspiring words. Your speech truly reflected the spirit and vision of our founder. Continuing spirit of unity in diversity. We welcome the students of Wisdom Tree International School, Nepal, to present a thoughtful poem and a speech. Poetry beautifully expresses emotions and ideas, while speech allows thoughts to be shared with clarity and purpose. We are delighted to witness this moment of creativity, expression, and reflection.
Hello everyone, this is Kusal Jha, proud grade 7 student of Wisdom Tree International School, located in Mills area, Janakpur Dham. It is a great honor for me to represent my school and Janakpur Dham in this wonderful program. So, I am here to recite a Maithili poem in front of you. And the topic of today's poem is Janakpur Dham. So let's get started. मिथिलाक उषा जखन लालिमालैत जगैत अछि, धरती एक ओसक मोती सा चुनरी सजा लैत अछि। पिपरक छाम में पुरान कथा फुसफुसाइत अछि, आ गामक गली में इतिहास पग धरि चलैत अछि। सांस्कृतिक स्वर जखन पवन में घुलि जाइत अछि, तऽ जनकपुर नाम स्वयं मंत्र बनि उच्चारित होइत अछि। मिथिला के माटि से उठैत सुगंध जे सांस बन के उतरैत अछि, तऽ जनकपुर धाम अपने ही अपन हृदयक दीप जरा दैत अछि। ई ओही भूमि अछि जतऽ राजा जनकक न्याय बैसैत छल, जतऽ विचार से राजधर्म नापल जाइत छल, आ जीवन स्वयं अपन शास्त्र बनल छल। एहि माटि में जन्मैत सीता, धरतीक धर्य नारीक मर्यादा, स्नेह सौम्य उजास आ सहनशीलता अमर परिभाषा। राम आयल छलखिन एहि नगरी में, साधारण वस्त्र असाधारण तेज, धनुष टूटल इतिहास नहीं, भाग्य झुकल छल लोकक समक्ष। जनकपुर साक्षी बनल राम जानकी पावन परिणत, फूल बरसल आकाश झुकि गेल, संसार स्वयं गीत गाबि उठल। धनुष सागरक नीर आज, ओही क्षणक कथा कहैत छी। गंगा सागर गज्जा सर, सब पोखरी समयक आँखि बनि चुपचाप सब किछु देखैत अछि। मंदिरक शिखर से उगैत घंटाक ध्वनि, भोरक प्रार्थना बनि सीधा आत्मा धरि पहुँचैत अछि। जानकी मंदिर केवल ईंट पत्थर नहीं, ई श्रद्धाक श्वेत महल अछि। एहि नगर में हर रात कथा से भरल, हर चौक हर गली कोनो ने कोनो पग गुनगुनाइत अछि। पाग से ढाकल मस्तक मधुबनीक रंग, आ मैथिल बोली मधुर्य, ई सब मिल जनकपुर बनबैत अछि। विवाह पंचमी में नगर स्वयं वधू बनि सजैत अछि। दीप झांकी कीर्तन में इतिहास पुनः जीवित हो उठैत अछि। जनकपुर धाम केवल तीर्थ नहीं, ई संस्कृति अछि, ई चेतना अछि, ई स्मृति अछि, जतऽ धर्मोपदेश नहीं आचरण बनि बैसैत अछि। जे केओ पूछैत अछि मिथिलाक आत्मा केना अछि, हम कहैत छी जाकऽ जनकपुर धाम में देखू, ओही ठाम उत्तर मन में मुस्कुरा रहल अछि। ई छल जनकपुर धाम के एकटा छोट बखान, आ इहे कहैत हम अपन कविता इम्हरे समाप्त करै छी। धन्यवाद।
जय जय मिथिला धाम, पावन धरती महान, विद्या संस्कृति सभ्यता तोहर अमर पहचान। जनक भूमि जानकी जन्म गौरव गाथा गाम, जय जय मिथिला धाम। माटी सुगंधित ज्ञान सा गूंजत वेद के मान, सीताराम के चरण परल पवित्र भेल ई स्थान। सदाचार के दीप जरै हरेक हृदय में सम्मान, मिथिला सनक पावन धरती के सत सत हमर प्रणाम। जय जय मिथिला धाम, जय जय मिथिला धाम। Good morning everyone, greetings from Janakpur Dham, Nepal. My name is Nishtha Murarka, a proud grade 6 student of Wisdom Tree International School. It is very great honor for me to stand here and share my thoughts on the topic हमर संस्कृति हमर समृद्धि। त आइ जखन हम अहाँ सबक हमर संस्कृति हमर समृद्धि विषय पर अपन किछु विचार राखऽ चाहै छी, त मन गर्व से भरैत अछि। मिथिला कला धर्म आ संस्कृति के धरती जतऽ जन्म मरण हरेक पर पूजा पाठ में गीत गुंजैत अछि। पान मखान सँ अतिथिक स्वागत, परात परोइस का 56 व्यंजन, खोइनाइ केवल रीति रिवाज नहीं बल्कि ई त हृदय से हृदय जोड़ब के परंपरा छै। मिथिला के गीत भगवान के पूजा में सेहो गायल जाइत अछि, त श्रद्धा केवल शब्द में नहीं स्वर में से होत रहैत अछि। विवाह में कोहबर लिखाइत जाइत अछि, जतऽ रंग रेखा भावना मिलकर नव जीवन के आशीर्वाद दैत अछि। जनकपुर धाम केवल एकटा शहर नहीं बल्कि ई त आस्था, परंपरा आ संस्कृति के महान केंद्र अछि। ई ओही पवित्र भूमि अछि जतऽ माता जानकी के जन्म भेल आ जतऽ भगवान श्री राम आ माता सीता के दिव्य विवाह भेल। एतऽ के माटि श्रद्धा, प्रेम आ धर्म के संदेश दैत अछि। एही पावन नगर में कला, संगीत, लोकगीत आ परंपरा के अद्भुत संगम देखाय के मिलैत अछि। जनकपुर धाम केवल इतिहास नहीं बल्कि ई त जीवित संस्कृति के संदेश वाहक अछि। हमरा गर्व अछि जे हम एते पावन नगर से जुड़ल छी। जनकपुर धाम के संस्कृति में पाग के बहुत सम्मानित स्थान अछि। मिथिलाक पुरुष सब विशेष अवसर जेना विवाह, उपनयन सब में माथ पर पाग पहिर छथि आ साथे सम्मान करय लेल अपना अपना पाहुन अर्थात अतिथि के सेहो पाग पहिरा कर सम्मान कयल जाइत अछि। हमरा जनकपुर धाम में एकटा प्रसिद्ध कला मिथिला पेंटिंग सेहो अछि। मिथिला पेंटिंग से जहन जनकपुर वासी अपना घर, आंगन, दलान, देवार सजबैत अछि त देखब त मन मुग्ध भ जायब। एतऽ के कला मात्र जनकपुर धाम व मिथिला में नहीं बल्कि विश्व प्रसिद्ध भ चुकल अछि। धार्मिक ग्रंथ रामायण अनुसार जनकपुर धाम में भगवान राम आ माता सीता के विवाह भेल छल, जाहि स्मृति में प्रत्येक वर्ष जनकपुर धाम में विवाह पंचमी बहुत भव्य तरीका से मनायल जाइत अछि। त अंत में हम इहे कहऽ चाहब जे जनकपुर धाम केवल एकटा धार्मिक स्थान नहीं अछि बल्कि ई त विज्ञान, कला एवं संस्कृति के उद्गम स्थल रहल अछि। ताहि दुआरे जनकपुर धाम मिथिला क्षेत्र तथा रामायण से जुड़ल क्षेत्र के गर्व आ पहचान अछि। धन्यवाद। जय जनकपुर धाम, जय मिथिला, जय नेपाल।
Thank you for that heartfelt and expressive poem and speech. Your words have truly enriched today's celebration and left a lasting impression on all of us.
Music has the power to express what words often cannot. It connects hearts, uplifts spirits, and brings harmony to every moment. We now present a soulful musical performance by our school choir, followed by a special presentation by our favorite students of our guests, participants from Nepal.
These melodies are a tribute to creativity, dedication, and passion. We invite you all to sit back and enjoy this beautiful presentation.
Lady,
heartfelt melodies.
Now let us step into the vibrant world of rhythm, energy and expression as we begin our dance performances.
First, we have a lively and energetic Indian classical dance performance by RMS students showcasing their talent, coordination and enthusiasm. Let us welcome their efforts with a big round of applause.
That was truly energetic and delightful. A wonderful display of confidence and grace.
Next, we present a graceful cultural show by RDS students from Nepal, celebrating tradition, unity and artistic expression.
That was beautifully performed. Thank you for that mesmerizing cultural showcase.
Every institution stands tall, not just because of its achievements, but because of the people who quietly nurture it every single day. Today, we present you a deeply touching dramatic monologue dedicated to those silent pillars of RMS family who have been with us since the very beginning.
Every school has a story, but not every story is told. We often celebrate achievements, trophies, results, and success. But today, we are going to talk about something different. The people who are always there, quietly working without expecting anything in return. Let's go back to the year 1989, when the Man School was just starting. Just the beginning, with a very few people, but a very strong determination. Some people came looking for work, but ended up finding a home. Our first story is about education and belonging.
1989, the very first year, when this place was less known to people and even I had no identity. I came here through someone's reference, just looking for bread and butter. No designation, no title, just work. Whatever was needed, I did it. Cleaning, lifting, fixing. Because somewhere this place had started feeling like mine. Years passed, people changed, but I stayed. Today, I live in a nearby village, but every morning my heart reaches here before I do. Because this place is not just my workplace, this is my home. And when you work with your heart, a place does not remain a job, it becomes your identity.
Some journeys begin with comfort, and some begin with courage. Our next story is not just about work, it's about building a life from nothing.
In which year did I join the school? 1993. Yes, 1993. That's when I stepped here. Just this open ground. And I had a decision to make. Turn back or stay. And build a life from nothing. I chose to stay. MS Playground was my home. Not for a day, not for a week, but for years. Under the open sky, through heat, through cold, through rain. This ground didn't just give me a shelter, it tested me. Every time I woke up, not to comfort, but to responsibility. Work all day and night, and sleep with hope as the only blanket. Brick by brick, wall by wall, I slowly saw the school rise. Today, when I walk through these corridors, I don't just see buildings, I see my journey. This school didn't just grow alone, I grew with it. This is not where I work, this is where I belong.
Sometimes life teaches us lessons, and those lessons becomes messages for the next generation. Our next story is about the same.
20th July 1993. I joined as a house attendant. A simple beginning. But life doesn't stay simple. Today I am an estate supervisor. But more than that, I am someone who has learned the value of what I lost. Education. I was a student once, just like you all. But I didn't pay attention to studies. I didn't understand its worth. And now I feel it every single day. No doubt I am doing good at life. But I had a dream which is unfulfilled. That's why I talk to children. I tell them, don't ignore your studies. Don't take this opportunity lightly. Some of you even call me Hitler. Stay disciplined, always watching. This boarding school, this environment, it's shaping your future right now. I couldn't do much because I didn't study. But you can. You have everything that I didn't have. So stay focused and work hard.
They did not ask for recognition, yet they deserve remembrance. They did not stand in the spotlight, yet they carried the light. From an empty ground to a legacy that stands tall today, their journeys are not ordinary. They are extraordinary. So the next time you walk through these corridors, remember, every wall has a story, every corner has a sacrifice, and every success has unseen hands behind it. Along with that, feel the quiet strength of their family who stood beside them through every step, becoming a part of the Man School family too. They are not just the staff members, they are the silent pillars of the Man School.
That was indeed a powerful and thought-provoking performance. Heartfelt congratulations to all the performers for their remarkable effort and dedication. Behind every smiling corridor and every successful day are stories of dedication and resilience. Today you'll hear these stories through the voices of those who lived them. We invite you all to watch this heartfelt video celebrating our support staff through their own journeys and beautiful moments.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जय भगवान है। 22 फरवरी 89 से मैं यहाँ पे पीएन की नौकरी का काम कर रहा हूँ। मेरे जितने भी वर्कर हैं, मैं सबको ये कहता हूँ, अपने घर जैसा ही काम करें। यहाँ पे सब अपना समझ कर काम करें। अच्छा ही लगता है, सब टीचर्स भी अच्छे हैं, सब बच्चे भी यहाँ से पास करके गए हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। मेरे को अच्छा भी देते हैं, इज्जत देते हैं मेरे को, बहुत बढ़िया। सब यहाँ पर हैं, स्कूल के अंदर अपना ही घर समझ के काम करना चाहिए इनको सबको। हैप्पी फाउंडर्स डे।
मैं अरविंद कुमार पाल 1 जुलाई 1993 में ज्वाइनिंग की थी। मैं 35 वर्षों से सेवारत हूँ। विद्यालय में ऑफिस अटेंडेंट के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। लगन एवं निष्ठापूर्वक किया। मैं बच्चे, टीचर, स्टाफ सभी अच्छे और सबने मेरे को इज्जत दी। हैप्पी फाउंडर्स डे।
नमस्ते जी, मैं धर्मेंद्र। 1993 में इस स्कूल को ज्वाइन किया था। उस दौरान में मुझे हाउस अटेंडेंट का जॉब दिया गया, जहाँ पे मैंने रहते हुए बच्चों को बड़ा अच्छे से मोटिवेट किया। उनके जीवन के लिए हॉस्टल में रहने पर थी, कैसे क्या सब चीज़ें रख रखाव करनी चाहिए, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए, उनको अच्छा मार्गदर्शन दिया। उसके बाद मुझे स्टेट सुपरवाइज़र बना दिया गया। अब मैं ऑल ओवर मेंटेनेंस वगैरह बाकी अपने सपोर्ट स्टाफ को मोटिवेट करता हूँ, उनसे काम करवाता हूँ। और ये सब कार्य जो आपके सामने हो रहे हैं, अच्छी ग्रीनरी, अच्छा रख रखाव, साफ सफाई, इस पर विशेष ध्यान रखता हूँ और रखवाता हूँ। थैंक यू। हैप्पी फाउंडर डे।
We live together with care and friendship. Once we are not siblings, we just remain one. In good and bad times, we are in unison.
for green, blue, blue, the is for life. Yes, it's symbol for victory. Scaling heights for future bright that we believe in. Be together, walk with Savior stride and
We are Messiahs, we stand for excellence. We're in the family, it's made by you and me. We are Messiahs, we stand for excellence.
We express our heartfelt gratitude to our support staff. Let us give them a big round of applause.
सभी को नमस्कार। आज मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि हमारे चौधरी होशियार सिंह जी ने अपने समय में ये अच्छा निर्णय लिया कि हमारे आसपास अच्छे विद्यालय नहीं थे, तब उन्होंने हमें ये गॉड गिफ्ट एक अच्छा तोहफा दिया जिसमें रहते हुए हम सब यहाँ बहुत अच्छे से रह रहे हैं और अच्छा सीख भी रहे हैं। ये हम सब साथी आप लोगों की सेवा में है। आज मैं आप सभी से उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि जो गरिमा उन्होंने हमें दी थी उसको बढ़ाने में, यहाँ से अच्छी शिक्षा पाने में और अच्छा रख रखाव करने में हमारी मदद करें। और बच्चों, मैं आपसे बताना चाहूँगा, ये जो आप करते हैं ना हॉस्टल वाले, घर यहाँ मन नहीं लगता, ये सब चीज़ें एक समय के बाद किसी काम नहीं आती बच्चों। मैं 1980 में बोर्डिंग स्कूल में गया था, तब मेरे पेरेंट्स ने वहाँ भेजा। मैं भी आप ही की तरह ये कह के वहाँ से भाग लिया, मन नहीं लगता, स्कूल अच्छा नहीं, खाना नहीं, ये नहीं, वो सब चीज़ें पीछे रह गई। आज साइंस ने बहुत तरक्की की, जिस उसमें फील्ड में भी जाना है उसमें शिक्षा का बड़ा महत्व है। मैं वहाँ से पिछड़ गया, आपके सामने खड़ा हूँ। मेरे पीछे उसी विद्यालय से जो लोग यहाँ आए वो अच्छा आपको मार्गदर्शन दे रहे हैं, दिया उन्होंने। उनकी फैमिली यहाँ, उनके बच्चे आज फॉरेन में हैं। मैंने शिक्षा प्राप्त नहीं की, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ। ये जो अधिकारी यहाँ बैठे हैं ये हमारा बहुत अच्छा मार्गदर्शन करते हैं, उस पर हम गौर करें, अच्छी शिक्षा प्राप्त करें जो आपको, आपके परिवार को, हमारे अपने देश को आगे ले जाएंगे। मैं उम्मीद रखता हूं कि मेरी थोड़ी बातों को आप ज़्यादा समझते हुए गौर करेंगे। हाँ बच्चों, करोगे? मुझे उम्मीद है 94 में जो बच्चे मेरे सामने पास आउट हुए थे, आज वो यहाँ आते हैं, उनके बच्चे आते हैं, मुझे बड़ा रिगार्ड देते हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि हमने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा, हमारा बहुत कुछ बदल भी गया। तो उम्मीद है आप भी सभी से सीखें और हमारा सहयोग दें, इस गरिमा को बनाए रखने के लिए। थैंक यू।
हेलो, मैं शिव कुमार, इलेक्ट्रिकल डिपार्टमेंट। जब मेरे से कोई पूछता है कि आप कौन से स्कूल में काम करते हो, ये स्कूल कहाँ है, मेरा एक ही जवाब होता है, मैं एक मिनी इंडिया में काम करता हूँ। कोलंबिया मिनी इंडिया। क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर स्टेट के बच्चे, बच्चा नहीं तो टीचर नहीं तो एम्प्लॉइज अवश्य मिलेगा। इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ मैं मिनी इंडिया में काम करता हूँ। मिनी इंडिया में मान स्कूल है। छोटा सा त्योहार, गुरु कुमार शिष्य कुंभ है, गुरु कुमार शिष्य कुंभ है। गड़े गड़े काड़े खोट और अंदर हाथ सहार दे, बाहर बाहर चोट।
Thank you everyone.
We now
now arrive at one of the most awaited moments of today's celebration.
We cordially request our esteemed guests from Wisdom Tree International School, Nepal, to kindly address the gatherings and share valuable words of wisdom with us.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Respected founder, HMSS Karan sir, HMPS Nidhi ma'am, distinguished faculty, dear student, and member of the Mahan School family. Namaskar and warm greetings from the land of Sita, Janakpur Dham, Nepal. It's a true privilege for me to stand here together and today as a celebrate your Founders Day as a moment that honors vision, dedication, and the endearing spirit of education. On behalf of Wisdom Tree International School, I extend our heartfelt congratulations to the wonderful institution. Before anything else, I must express our deep gratitude to Dr. Nidhi, who visited Janakpur Dham during her Nepal tour, became the seed of this extraordinary collaboration. It was during that memorable visit that we first sat together and discussed the dream of connecting our two schools through student exchange. Thank you, Dr. Nidhi. Today is especially meaningful for us as we already on the third day of sharing journey here at the Mahan School. In just these few days, our students have experienced your classroom, your campus, your warmth, discipline, and the vibrant school culture. We began as a conversation in Janakpur has now bloomed into a beautiful reality. The exchange reminds us that education goes beyond the textbooks. It lives in conversation, shared laughter, and discovering both similarities and differences. Through this program, our students are learning about perspective, friendship, and global citizenship. India and Nepal share deep cultural and historical ties. And through this exchange, we are strengthening this bond into a meaningful way through our young learners. And as we cherish every moment here, we also look forward to welcoming the students and delegation from the Mahan School to Janakpur, Nepal. We are eager to show them the land of Sita, the temple of Mithila, and the warmth of our people. We promise to give them the same love, care, and hospitality that we have received here. To the student, I encourage to make most out of these remaining days, continue to learn, connect, and create memories that will stay with you forever and the years to come. In the end, we offer our sincere thanks to Chairman Mahan sir for his inspiring leadership and generous support. Our deepest gratitude also goes to entire Mahan School family, the faculty, staffs, the student for embracing us with such warmth and making this exchange truly memorable. Happy Founders Day. Dhanyabad. Thank you. Jai Nepal. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Your presence holds great importance for us.
We now request our respected HMSs to please come forward and share his thoughts, blessings, and guidance.
Good morning, everyone. So, students, I'll not share any thoughts. I'll not share. I'll not bless you because you are already blessed when you are studying a school like this, and it's a privilege to study in a school like this. And trust me, it is. We are thankful to our founder, to the family who is not building only a school but trying to create a legacy in the form of you all. I'll share my experience rather. First time when I entered this school, and the first thing which clicked me, that our guard is actually greeting me with the folded hands. And this is not just a service, it is something, a culture. And when I was talking to my friend, Mr. Ashish, I asked him, what is one thing you liked here in this school which you'd like to take it? He was talking about some infrastructure and all. I said, that is there. But other than that thing which is not which doesn't come in infrastructure, he said culture. And I truly believe in that. The culture of the organization you can see by meeting their people. Because culture cannot be built over a day. It takes years of dedication, consistency and hard work. We have people like Dharmender ji, Jai Bhagwan ji, Shiv Kumar ji, who are with us they are here for the time more than my age. They are here when the school, it was in its foundational stage, and they are still. The Mahan School was never the infrastructure. It was never the huge acre of campus. It was always about the people. People who have built this place, people who have lived here, people who have actually created the masterpiece. Students, you all are here. It's your privilege to study here in this school. Who knew that, this part of Delhi is not known to the people who are living in Delhi. But just imagine many students who have come from Mizoram, Ladakh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, all corners of the country to this place which is not even known to the people of Delhi. Why? Because we have something different. The Mahan School is not only a school, it's a tribe. It's a feeling, it's an experience. And you all should be thankful to the founders who have actually created this place. I don't have any kind of opinions about a few things in happening in the society, but I'd like to tell you. A few people build temples, a few people build statues. The family decided to make a school without having any personal selfless reason, just to make a village educated, just to change the mindset of a village, just to impart some education to the people of their own village. Nobody would have dared to take that decision at that time. Our family took this decision, and till date they are creating a big change in the society. And see, after almost 37-38 years, here we are. We have a name in this country. We are in top 10 in this school in the country, and still again it's a privilege. धर्मेंद्र जी, आप पीछे नहीं रह गए, आपने इन लोगों को आगे बढ़ाया है। तो ये आगे गए हैं क्योंकि आप जैसे लोग इस संस्था से जुड़े हुए हैं। तो आपके लिए भी ये एक सबक है कि आप ये ना सोचें कि आप पीछे रह गए। ये लोग आगे हैं क्योंकि आप इनके पीछे थे। आप इनके पीछे नहीं होते तो शायद ये लोग आगे नहीं होते। So I would like to close my speech by stating only one thing. Rome was not built in a day. Okay? At the same time, it requires a village to raise a child. This school is a village for you all, and I know we are creating a good difference in your life. Feel privileged when you study here in this school. Thank you everyone, and happy Founders Day.
Thank you, sir, for your motivating and inspiring words. Your guidance continues to lead us in the right direction. As we approach the conclusion of this grand celebration, it is a time to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a success.
We now invite Myra to present the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to one and all present over here.
First of all, I extend my deepest and most heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guests whose gracious presence has truly elevated this occasion and made it a moment to be cherished. I also express my sincere thanks to our dignitaries, distinguished guests, respected teachers, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. This celebration would not have been the same without each one of you. I would like to extend a special note of appreciation to the team of Wisdom Tree International School, Nepal, for gracing us with their presence and participating so enthusiastically. Your involvement had added immense joy and a beautiful spirit of unity to the celebration. I sincerely thank our wonderful audience for being such an attentive and encouraging part of this event, and for sharing this special occasion with us. Last but not the least, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to every department, every teacher, and every volunteer who worked tirelessly behind the scenes. Your dedication, coordination, and teamwork ensured the smooth flow and grand success of this event. As Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. Thank you one and all present here.
As we bring this wonderful celebration to a close, let us carry forward the light of knowledge, discipline, and perseverance in everything we do.
May the vision and values of our founder continue to inspire us in every step of our journey ahead.
Long live the dream of our founder, our pride, our heritage, and our inspiration.
May we continue to uphold these values and carry this legacy forward with dedication and unity.